What's up, guys, and welcome back to another video. Another gaming video, and today we're gonna be playing Plants vs Zombies 2, but we're doing day 24 to day 25. Okay, now let's get started. So I think I would really beat this all the time because I played this since I was like I was still in grade 1, and when I keep on failing super hard levels, but I start to get being good at super hard levels now because I always play this game. So I practice all the time playing this game as well. So if you guys are wondering why I play this, that's a good question. It's just because I saw on TV that there was a lot of people playing this game for since they were still like little or something. I don't know. Yeah, let me focus. I'll focus this now. Okay. I haven't tried this for like like uh like like 10 times, and it was making me so struggled, so stressful. Okay, there we go. I can do this. Okay, here we go. Okay, grab it, and I go take it. Oh no. Okay, here we go. The giant zombies left. Okay. Okay. I got it. Yes! Let's go. Okay, here we go. Yes! Okay, last level. Okay, guys, here we go. We're on to the next level, but I feel like this one. Okay. I'll just get this. Okay, I'll just get a lot back possibly. Here we go. Okay, here we go. We can get them now. 3, 2, 1. Okay. Yes. Yep. Get out. Okay. Here we go. Let's go. Yes, get out of here. And now you're gonna go and be there. We're gonna try on the mouth. Hello. Here we go. Boom! I'm killing you. No matter what. Yes! Let's go! I won. Okay guys, that'll be it for the video, and let me know in the comments below how much do you like this video and to all my videos. And thank you so much for watching, and please make sure to hit the subscribe button, and don't forget. See you guys later in the next video. Goodbye.